Good morning, guys. We're already Thursday. We just get out from the salon. We're heading to Macy's. Oh goodness, it's early in the morning. I'm still yawning. I still want to be in bed. Being lazy. I'll see you later, guys. I think it's very noisy right now for you because the wind is too windy.
Switch highway in a second.
Huh?
We're going to switch highways in a second.
Oh, we switch highway. This is not the one you get off here, huh?
Well, no. That's good. Let's not get off. We get on the Hutch and then I get off on 95 because it's right there in the turn.
Yeah.
So I was going to just get on the Hutch and get back to 95.
Are we going farther?
Same thing.
Is this here? No. Compare which is cheaper.
Well, they should be definitely cheaper.
This is your turn, I guess.
I don't know, but my turn. I don't see no light. I have to give a big minute to cars that weren't moving.
Oops. Hotels. There you go. Let me find that place. The one that it's in here.
Fashion figure?
No, that's not the one. That's Sassy
What do you see?
Pickens.
Oh, yeah,
That's
Sassy
the one,
Pickens.
Sassy Pickens. That's the place
Can I
here.
let you off there and I can get your power book?
No way. No way.
What, you think I won't get it? But
I want my pocketbook in my hand. Watch out, this guy's. Oh, where is the parking? There, you have to pay the parking now. They have a lot of Mac thing here, guys. No, where are they? There's like Mac here, Mac everywhere. I'm trying to pick up my bag here right now. Oh my god, guys, they have nice stuff here. My husband is checking for something.
level 3.
Level 3. What is this in here? Right there. Excuse me. Oh, they are Michael Kors thing. Excuse again. No, it's not. It's jockey. Why is this $1 for frying? And this is good, guys. It's $50.
Either way, they don't have a stainless steel out here, so.
Look at the price, guys, for this thing. I think it's a whole seat, huh? I got my bag already, guys. Where are you looking? We purchased this. I think
that's when they enrolled us to everyday.
Today?
No.
Last week.
It was
No.
like a pre-sale or something. 2 weeks
Oh,
ago.
you just picked that up?
Yeah.
Just picked it.
We have to go back up because I think the sales lady did it wrong. My husband thought that she's gonna be. Oh, Michael Kors perfume. Oh, they're opening this Forever 21 here too. Holy cow! How many stores is here? It's getting bigger and bigger here. My husband is loaded up, and I have mine here. blah 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 blah. What is this? Cebu Express or City Express? Cebu Express. City
Yes,
Express.
they're going to drive you to Cebu. Quick, copy that.
How long is to drive the Philippines, you know, from here? A year.
It's not really that long. The minute you hit water, you sink and it's over.
There is a connection. I'll connect.
There is a...
Yeah, maybe there is a ro-ro. There is something that can carry your car to go to the other island, I guess.
Yeah, it's called a ship.
Yeah. I'm sleepy, guys. My husband have an appointment. We're still early for that. Guys, we're home and my husband's here and I'm going to do a massage with my husband because I'm going to massage him because he's so tired. My poor baby is tired. Okay. I'm going to massage him. Again. It's not steak, but it's chicken. So, chicken barbecue, guys. I feel very bloated. I don't know what, guys, what is the best thing to do when you're bloated. I think we have a lot of Activia downstairs. I want to try that because before, I think it helps me when I have like a digestion problem, like my stomach doesn't digest properly. I think I'm gonna have to try it again. So yeah, we're home for a while and I just eat it. I'm sorry about that, Merly Talplacido. I know you sent me I know you commented me on my last video about my long distance relationship. Now it's uploading, so maybe, you know, a few minutes, maybe half hour or an hour, it will be live on my channel. It smells gas in here. It's the barbecue I'm doing, but this is the look when it's not cooked, and I'll show you later when it's cooked. Guys, my grill.
Medium rare.
Good night, guys, and I'll see you tomorrow again. And thank you to all comments. And yeah, anyway, my part 2 of my long distance relationship about my past, it's already live, and you guys can watch it if you want. Thank you, and I'll see you tomorrow. Good night.